BMW M4 CS 2025, a track-ready beast for the road. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the BMW M4 CS 2025, a car that's redefining performance and luxury in the sports coupe category. This limited edition model sits between the standard M4 competition and the hardcore M4 CSL, offering the perfect balance of everyday usability and track-ready performance. Let's jump into what makes the M4 CS a true driving machine in just 3 minutes. Aggressive exterior design. The BMW M4 CS 2025 has a bold and lightweight design tailored for aerodynamics and performance. Its carbon fiber hood, roof, and front splitter enhance both style and weight reduction. The kidney grille and laser headlights add to its aggressive stance. You get exclusive 19-inch front and 20-inch rear alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires. Special CS badging and unique paint options, like frozen Brooklyn Gray, make this model stand out. Interior focused on performance. Inside, the M4 CS combines luxury with a focus on weight savings. The Alcantara-wrapped sports seats offer comfort and support during high-speed cornering. The cabin is trimmed with carbon fiber and leather, blending premium materials with motorsport aesthetics. A 10.25-inch touchscreen, powered by BMW's xDrive 8.5 system, provides access to navigation, media, and car settings. Despite its track-ready nature, it retains dual-zone climate control and a premium sound system for daily usability. Power and performance. Under the hood, the M4 CS houses a 3.0 LIN/LINE6 twin-turbo engine that's nothing short of exhilarating. It produces 543 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, delivering a 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.2 seconds. Power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission with ultra-fast shifts. The car features an active M differential and adaptive suspension, ensuring precise handling on the road or track. A specially tuned exhaust system delivers a raw, aggressive sound, amplifying the driving experiences. Track-ready technology. The M4 CS is packed with performance-enhancing tech. M traction control lets you fine-tune how much slip you want on the track. Carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power. Lightweight construction ensures a near-perfect weight balance, improving agility and cornering performance. Pricing and availability. The BMW M4 CS 2025 is priced at $125,000 and is a limited edition model, so only a select few will get their hands on it. Deliveries are expected to begin in the second quarter of 2025. The BMW M4 CS 2025 is the ultimate sports coupe for those who want thrilling performance, stunning design, and everyday usability. It's a car built for enthusiasts who demand more from their driving experience. If you enjoyed this quick review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.